So the Kumasi High Court has dismissed the injunction application that sought to halt the funeral of Ghanaian highlife legend Charles Kojofusi, popularly known as Daddy Lumba, paving the way for the family to proceed with his final rites scheduled for December 6, 2025. The injunction was filed by Akusia Sewa, the woman who claims to be the musician's lawful wife under German law. She had asked the court to restrain the family from organizing the funeral until her marital status and right as a spouse were fully determined. In its ruling, the High Court held that under Ghanaian customary law, the family of the deceased has the right to take custody of the body and organize their burial. The judge therefore refused the interlocutory injunction, citing the need to respect traditional authority in such matters. This decision effectively allows Daddy Lumba's family to proceed with their planned funeral and burial arrangement at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium in Kumasi. The court, however, set November 14 for a case management conference with further hearings expected later in the month to address the substantive claims in the case. The celebrated high life musician passed away on July 26, 2025 after a short illness, according to family sources. Shortly after his death, Akusia Sewa emerged, claiming she was legally married to the artist in Germany in December 2004, a claim she says is supported by official German civil records. In support of a position, the German embassy in Accra reportedly confirmed the existence of a marriage certificate registered in Bornheim, Germany. Based on this, Akusia Sewa argues that she has the legal right to determine how and when her late husband is buried. The family, however, rejected her claims, insisting that Daddy Lumba's lineage retains the customary right to organize his final funeral rites and interment. The disagreement prompted the widow's injunction application to prevent what she described as a breach of her marital right. At the heart of the dispute is the intersection between customary and statutory marriage rights. While Akusia Sewa's marriage claim rests on German civil law, the court's interim decision leaned heavily on Ghanaian customary principles that the family held ultimate control over burial arrangements. Legal analysts say the case could set an important precedent for cross-border marriages and how unions are treated under Ghanaian succession and burial law. Although the injunction has been dismissed, the substantive case continues. The court has directed both parties to file all relevant documents, including marriage certificate, witness statement, and any proof of customary authority before the next hearing. Observers say the upcoming hearings will determine the validity of the marriage and whether it carries any enforceable rights in Ghana, especially concerning inheritance or decision-making over the late musician's remains. The dispute has divided fans and family alike. Reports suggest that another woman, Priscilla Ofori, known as Odobroni, has also been mentioned in connection with the musician, further complicating the matter. Despite the tension, Daddy Lumba's family says preparations for the funeral are continuing as planned, describing the High Court's decision as a relief and vindication. The substantive case is expected to resume in November. Legal experts note that while the injunction ruling does not finally determine who has the rightful authority over the late singer's burial, it gives temporary control to the family pending a final judgment. For now, the court's decision means that the December 6th funeral at Baba Yara Sports Stadium will proceed, marking a final farewell to one of Ghana's most beloved high-life icons, even as the legal battle over his legacy continues in court. So we have a funeral, let's prepare.